Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to run HTML files using Visual Studio Code 2022. So running HTML files in Visual Studio Code is just easy. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the HTML file, and to do that, just launch the Visual Studio Code first and navigate to the HTML file that you want to run. So if you don't have a file yet, just simply create a new one. Let's click onto file in here, click onto new file, and then we're gonna type in sample in here and then .html so that it should be recognized as an HTML file. Click onto enter, and then it should go ahead and ask you where to save this. You'll just have to choose onto which one. So let's just click onto create file in here. And as you can see, it has created the file. Then right after, what we need to do is we're gonna go ahead and paste in here our code. So I have your sample HTML code from the web. We're gonna go ahead and paste this one in here, and then this should look like this. So for us to be able to run this one in Visual Studio Code, if you've noticed here onto the bottom part, there is a go live option. So if you click onto this, it will run the live server onto your device. So as you can see, server is started at port 5500. So as you can see, it will automatically pop up a browser in here that has your HTML code. And that is just basically it on how you run HTML files using Visual Studio Code in 2022. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.